All right, y'all, here in front of me today, got an interesting one for y'all. We're going to talk about it. We're going to talk about divorce of a marriage versus getting a dissolution of marriage. Now, this is coming from you from none other than Black Law's Dictionary Finest. This is the 5th edition. And this is the definition of divorce. By the way, you can find these books in the courtroom. Whenever you go in the courtroom, right? These quote-unquote courts, these courts, they have what you call a law library. And in these law libraries, you find these law books. One in particular is Black Law's Dictionaries, which goes into when they talk to you in these courtrooms in legalese. And we think that they mean one thing, but they actually mean something else. And you don't know that unless you're really getting the definition of these words and understanding and seeing what's going on. I presented to y'all in another video of a book that I got called Word Magic. And it's all a play on words. And we're told that this word means this and that, but in court terms, which is legalese, it means something else. So without further ado, we're going to get into divorce. So, divorce. This is what happens when you get a divorce. The legal separation of man and wife affected by the judgment or decree of a court. And either, I'm not saying it does, it says in either totally dissolving the marriage relation or suspending its effect so far as concerns the cohabitation of the parties, right? That's divorce. So let's talk about dissolution. Act or process of dissolving, termination, winding up. Contracts. The dissolution of a contract is the cancellation or abrogation of it by the parties themselves with the effect of annulling the binding force of the agreement and restoring each party to his or her original rights. In this sense, it is frequently used in the phrase dissolution of a partnership. Right? Let's take a look at marriage. Dissolution of marriage. The act of terminating a marriage. Divorce, but the term does not include annulment. Followed up with a case law. Dale versus Jones. Read that. And y'all tell me what y'all think. So that's why when you get a divorce, you may have people say sometime that although you divorce from the spouse or whoever it is, that if you pass away, die, you a sin, that they still able to get your property or what you own when you pass on. Because technically, according to this book, a divorce is not technically as we think. As I just broke these two definitions down to you, you have dissolution and you have divorce. Which dissolution clearly tells you it terminates the contract. While on the other note, divorce tells you otherwise. Divorce tells you, let's go over it again, so we can be clear on exactly what I'm talking about. Divorce. Separation. The legal separation of man and wife. Never said that is terminated. It says the legal separation, meaning y'all just separated. Not saying that the marriage is dissolved. It also used the word suspended. So, just wanted to bring this awareness to y'all so you can understand the play on words, this word magic. That's why you have to read into these things, read fine print, understand what you're getting into, understand what a marriage is, understand what divorce is. What you want to do is get a dissolution. So if you're planning on not being with each other, you might want to go the dissolution route. Because as you can see, again, it's not my words. It's the court words. Black Laws Dictionary, 5th edition. You see? I just bring the awareness and I just bring the facts. That's it. That's all. But as always, catch y'all in the next video. I'm out. Till next time. Peace.